no matter where you naturally fall in your parenting style, all parents are susceptible to what we call the parenting pendulum. This is referring to parents' changes and how involved their responses are to their children. This is normal, as parenting is never stable all the time, and different situations require different responses. You may also find at times your responses change depending on your level of stress, or maybe your schedule, which impacts how you respond. Sometimes you might be rushed, and then you make a choice maybe you shouldn't have.
Totally. So let's talk about how the parenting pendulum may be working in your home. Your child is really struggling. They seem to be having tons of meltdowns, and they don't listen to you anymore. So what do you do as a parent? You start reading parenting books, you start watching videos, you start scouring through Instagram, maybe you even buy this program. You start using all of the strategies that you've learned. You're praising all of the positives, and you're setting and holding consistent boundaries. Your parenting is on point. Suddenly, your child's behavior swings to the positive. Your child's a rock star. They're making the right choices, they're listening, they're self-motivated, they're glowing. Do they even need you anymore?
Yes.
Your kid is so awesome that you start slacking a bit. You quit praising as many positives. You let a few boundaries slip. Now your child's behavior swings back in the opposite direction. And once again, you find yourself sharpening up your parenting skills.
So our goal is for us to have less wild swings of that pendulum over time, right? So our children know what to expect, which ultimately results in their behavior also becoming more stable. We also want to point out that parenting is an adjustment process, as the way we interact with our children changes as they grow, as they develop, and the difficulties they encounter change over time too. Being consistent with the parenting tools we label as additions helps us to maintain a more stable balance in our responses. We also are laying a strong foundation for different sets of problems as our children age.
So the main thing that we learned in the last video is how important balance is in parenting. With the parenting pendulum, we really want you to be aware of how important consistency is in parenting, but even more important than that is your awareness of your consistency. You can't be consistent all of the time, but being aware of when you're starting to slack a bit is really important.